I have a couple shortcuts I want to share with you guys for your computer. Hi, this is Mike Lucasio, and I teach people how to maintain their computer and how to repair their computer on YouTube. This is my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Now, you can do a screenshot by just hitting print on your screen, and that'll do a screenshot. But there's a program called Snap, and it's a program that makes screenshots, and you can draw on it, and you can shoot video, and you can also fade in and out with it. And it's easy to use, and it's free. So that's something you want to check into. That's called Snap. And also what I want to talk to you about is that if you accidentally delete or move a file, hit Control plus Z to bring it back. That's Control plus Z, and Control plus Y will redo whatever you undid. So that's Control plus Z to bring it back, and Control plus Y to redo it. And you can also, if you close the program that you were using, or you close the file and you can't get to it, press Control Shift plus the letter T at the same time, and that will reopen a closed tab. And you can also do Command plus Shift plus T if you're on a Mac. So those are some tips that you can do. And another tip I want to give you is if you want to get a simple email, instead of getting Yahoo or one of the other emails, there's an email client called mail.com, and I use that, and it's very easy to use. So if you're just looking for an email to set up, go over to mail.com and set up your email there. It's free, and it's very good email. It's very simple to use. So again, this is Mike at MSL Computers. If you got any value from this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification. And I hope you like my video. And I help people with computer repair and also computer maintenance. So please consider subscribing and watch my other videos. And I have a couple of playlists and videos you should check out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.